I will destroy Dan. He has nothing on me. I killed him. When I was in Soviet Russia, I killed niggas every day. He don't know what he's messing with. Yeah. And I killed Cat then after that. Look at Cat. Cat woman over here. What are you looking at, little man?
Wait, what? Frank. Oh, I just got 2 words.
I know Frank. Arnold.
Yeah, well, I got 2 words to say to you, Arnie. Bam! Headshot!
Bad headshot. You can't even spell headshot. Bring it.
Bring it.
I do bring it. I bring it right here.
Bring on the noise.
Bring on my noise.
Cop out.
Why don't you come out and fight like a man?
I do fight like man. Bring it on, Dan. I get box. I hide myself from box. Oh crap. Friendly fire. I got so many shots left. Huh?
It is a chain gun.
Oh crap, I shot it again. How'd you figure that out, Dan?
You're mine now, Frank!
You have the ammo,
Headshot! 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 Melee! We're fresh! You're mine now!
Dude, I can't break dance my way out of this. I have a broken wrist.
Not too rough. Yeah, that's right. You can't let him suffer.
And that's how we roll. I'm from Gary. We invented random violence.
You're not a random violence. You just followed after everything on comic book.
All right. All right, let's